My pivot table is summarizing the districts, but it's not showing a count when the district is empty. Let's fix that. This is Debra Dalgleish from Contextures.com. In this table, we can see a sum of units for each district, but some of these records are missing the district name, and for those, it's not counting anything. And that's a limitation of Excel's count function. It can't count something that isn't there. So we're going to fix it by using a different thing to count. I'll click on this pivot table, and there's the pivot table field list. In here, I can see that district and units are checked. So it's having trouble counting district, which I've got in the values area. In the table, I can see that there's a product name for each record, so I'll ask it to count that instead. Now this is a text field, and so when I right-click here and say add to values, it automatically goes in as a count. The product count is working correctly, so I can get rid of this count of district. I'll right-click, remove that, and here, instead of saying count of product, that might be confusing, I'll type order count. Press enter, and now it shows a sum of units and an order count for each district, even the blank ones.